In this video, we are going to learn about how to get screenshot in Windows. You can do this multiple way, but I will show you an easiest way to do. So first of all, click to Windows button, start button to find out the app which is snipping tool, and you can also search here by typing snipping tool. After typing, you will see this app snipping tool. Click to open this one. Here is a new dialog bar to get screenshot. Click to new snip and then select a space to get your screenshot, and then just save, and that's it. You can get screenshot using this method. I think this will help you to understand how to do that. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.